You have to try it too, guys. We are going to make a salad from no salt, no sugar, almost no spices, sauerkraut. For this, we have to drink just a little bit clear, 100% probiotic. Take sauerkraut kombucha as a medicine to restore and improve your GI tract work. Delicious. Drink 100 milliliters twice a day for 2 weeks and feel the difference. For our salad, we have to chop some onion. Add onion, then we're gonna put some avocado oil. I love avocado oil. It's delicious without salt, but I'm gonna add some salt too. I think it's enough. You can add pepper and other stuff, but I love it like this. And it's ready to eat. Try it right now. Delicious, delicious.